Hey everybody,
Hi,
this is Maddie
and this is Ken.
from Gulf Branch Nature Center, and we are going to be introducing you to one of the captive animals that lives here at Gulf Branch today. Right now, the Nature Center building itself is still closed to the public, but you're welcome to visit the park, walk the trails, and hang out with this creature that we're about to share with you.
She does not have a name. She is a wild animal. We get a lot of questions about why she's here. She was found in the woods. She was on the ground. She was injured. Um, we don't know what the injury was. We think there was partially a brain injury. She definitely has an injury in the wing as well. So she can't maintain a strong flight, which means she can't maintain a territory. She can't hunt properly for food. So in the wild, she would not have lived very long. So she's here. She gets fresh food and water every day. She gets her beak and her talons clipped, and we'd like to think we take pretty good care of her. And she's got her own room.
Take a look all around. So this is the enclosure where she stays, and if you visit the Nature Center, you can walk right up the steps near the front door and come on up and just visit with her and spend some time with her now, even though the center itself is closed. We haven't told you yet what kind of owl she is. She is actually a barred owl, and she's called that because of the bars or stripes of color that you can see on her belly, and then she also has stripes of color alternating brown and white feathers on her wings and her back as well that go in a horizontal direction as opposed to those vertical stripes on her front. So she is one of 3 owls that you typically can find in Arlington County. We also have great horned owls, which are a little bit larger than our barred owls, and then eastern screech owls, which are much smaller than both of those owls. But all 3 have adapted pretty well to life in a suburban and urban environment, so they can find everything they need living right next to us. She's going to eat, for us, a mix of mice and other rodents, but in the wild, barred owls eat a mix of other animals. So they certainly will still eat rodents, but sometimes amphibians like frogs or even crayfish if they happen to be in a forested area that's near a stream or a river. So they have a pretty diverse diet, which helps them succeed for sure. All right, I think Ken's gonna go ahead and feed her today. Again, in captivity, we mostly feed mice that are already dead. So we'll bring it down here so you can see what that looks like. And what we do is just place the mice in a couple different places in her enclosure so that she has to exercise a little bit to get to her food, right? We try to make it not too easy for her. We never feed our captive animals live food because that could result in injury to both the animal that we're caring for as well as the animal that is being fed. So always something that's already dead. So there she is again. She's our barred owl here at Gulf Branch Nature Center, and you are welcome to come visit her anytime, sunrise to sunset, as long as the park itself is open. So you can see down here, Ken is also just giving her some fresh water for the day. She's got water to drink, but also on a really hot day like today, it's important that she has water that if she wants to, she can come in and stand in and just cool off a little bit if she needs to. So always try to make sure she has fresh water in addition to fresh food to eat every day.
So thanks for joining us, and we hope you'll join us in the flesh here at the Nature Center sometime soon.
Hope to see you soon. Take care.
Bye-bye.